Hey guys, you know the drill. It's at Walmart. Found two boxes. This is going to be the first box that I'm going to open. And you see the price on it. We'll see what we get. It's last year's Rookies and Stars. Just go through and see if I get any. Oops. They all feel about the same, so I don't think anything big, or they're just better at hiding it than the other ones. But these packs are not with the UP code to go out anyhow. So let's see what we got. We got Marshawn Lynch, Hilton, Ryan, Drew Brees, Touchdown Club, Andrew Luck, that's nice. Rookie Ezekiel, I'm not going to try to say his name. Santonio Holmes, who's now a Bear player. Freeman, Bo, Flacco, and the reporter card. Next we got Gore, Foster, Fitzgerald, Brandon Marshall, Bears. Ooh, Eli Manning, Game Plan, Rookies and Stars. Not numbered. The rookie is Jamar Taylor. Kaepernick. There's the Packer, Cobb, Johnson, Cameron Wake. A little dark. Guess it looks okay. Charles Tillman. Bears. Roethlisberger. Alfred Morris. Greg Jennings. Ooh. Nice Giovanni Bernard. Crusaders. Very nice. That makes the box worthwhile. Terrence Williams, rookie. Victor Cruz, Josh Gordon, who doesn't get a play this year, Ryan Mathis, and another Packer. But what would Rookies and Stars be without the Packers for Troy to see? Armandello, Michael Crabtree, Schaub, Robert Griffin. There's another Andrew Luck, Rookies and Stars, NFL Nation. Hopkins rookie. Jimmy Braun, AJ Green, Brown, and Calvin Johnson. Get rid of that. Let's see. Christian Ponder, Cam Newton, Matt Flynn, Dez Bryant, Luke Jokel, Luke, whatever. Ryan Schroop, who's not even in league anymore from concussions. Vincent Jackson, Ray Rice, Mark Sanchez, and Da'Kel Jackson. 3 packs to go, and Crusade was the big card so far. Maybe we'll get lucky and get a patch or an auto or something. That would be nice. Let's see. Deshaun Jackson, Marius Thomas, Sam Bradford, who's done for the year already, Justin Blackman, who's done for the year, back-to-back. All right, we have a back card. Let's see what that means, if it's anything. It is the longevity. It's a rookie. Ace Sanders, the Jacksonville Jaguars. Very nice. And Tyler Eifert, rookie. Fred Jackson. Powell, Romo, Jamal Charles. 2 packs to go. That one's a little tougher to open. I don't think there's a fat card, but no. Okay. Julio Jones, Colston, Dalton, Dwyer, Sam Bradford, Kenny Vaccaro, rookie, Torrey Smith, Hakeem Nicks, Trent Richards, and Antonio Gates. Last pack. Tom Brady, Jay Cutler, another Bears, Michael Vick, Peyton Manning. Oh, another backwards card. Let's see what it is. Joe Flacco. Another longevity. Nice, 2-in-1 box. Flacco, got a rookie and a regular. Robert Woods, rookie. Packers, Britt, Wallace, CJ Spiller, and that's it. Well, guys, thanks for watching.